Hey loves, today I'm going to be making fried spaghetti. These are all the ingredients I have right here. I got the pot already on fire. It's on the stove. I'm going to show you guys that part. But anyway guys, this is the spaghetti I'm going to be using. This is it right here. This is the onions that I chopped down. This is it right here. I use 2 onions, but you can use 1 if you want. Actually, it depends how much spaghetti that you are making. That's how much ingredients you're gonna need. So this is my vegetable oil right here that I'm gonna use. I've been using this for a while, making a little bit stuff. So, but that's it right there. My bad. Excuse me, guys. I almost knocked my tripod down with my knee, guys. So this is the pepper that I chopped down. This is green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. I chop it down. This is it right here. And this is my season right here, guys. That's, trust me, it's not a lot of season. That's a whole lot of garlic powder in there, onion powder, black pepper, and my season that I put in there. A little bit of everything, a little spice and stuff. And this is my thyme that I have right here, guys. And this is over here. I'm sorry, guys. Let me take you along with me. This is my pepper. This is African pepper right here. That's what it's called. So this is not a regular, excuse me. This is not a regular pepper. It's called African pepper. It's very spicy. It came from Africa. It came from back home, guys. It's very, very spicy. Then I have my vegetable right here. This is everything you guys can see: corn, green beans, carrots, peas. So that's everything right there, guys. And we have a pot right here that's already hot. This is it right here. We about to put our oil, because I can tell it's already hot for me. If I can open this thing, guys. This is it. I'm going to show you guys can see. I'm going to put a little bit more, not a lot. If you're making a little bit less, you can put less of oil. And then that pot over there that you guys looking at over there. Hold on, guys. Well, yeah, that's my chicken back there, that pot that you're looking at. So, excuse me, guys. We're going to go in with our onion. You guys can see. That's my chicken right over there, guys. The chicken is done. I just got done boiling it. After that, you can fry yours if you want. Let me go ahead and turn the chicken up. You can go ahead and fry it, because sometimes I fry it, but sometimes I boil it before I fry it. That's chicken breast, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and let these onions fry down just for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and throw in my peppers right there, guys. Okay. This is how I make my fried spaghetti, guys. And by the way, guys, I don't know what's going on. I need to keep being on the way. I'm making a little bit more spaghetti, a lot, because my kids love fried spaghetti. My husband loves it. And I'm going to be making extra because he's going to be taking some to work for his friend. Because his friend wants some fried spaghetti. They didn't try it. They tried my fried spaghetti a couple times. So they wanted some. And my husband wanted me to make some. So I was like, okay, instead of me just making it, let me make it so that way I can show you guys how I make it. You know, because they love my fried spaghetti, guys. Not too long ago, I made a lot of fried spaghetti. I went to this place to go sell it, you know, make different type of food and sell. And by the time I know it, guys, a blink of an eye, people was buying my fried spaghetti. So every now and then I do a little thing. I sell food on the side, guys, just to let you know. I cook. Sometimes somebody might say, can you cook this for me? I'll pay you. Or I might just cook you know, and just sell some food. I can either at home or somewhere go have a table and sell it, guys. So I hustle on the side a little bit. So people love it. Decent couple of the stuff, but they love it. But anyway, when I made these fried spaghetti, people was buying it. And there was this guy, because I had a table. It was this Chinese guy that had a restaurant. So he saw people was coming over there buying my food. So he was wondering why it was a long line over there. People was coming over there buying my food, buying it. So they was like, it's a lady across the street. She got a table right there. She's selling stuff. So then he called for us. He sent somebody to come over, to come call us so we can come over there and have a talk. He want us to come sell inside of his shop. They make food for him. I mean, sell our food. Also, he gonna be selling his food. But he want us to be giving him part of our money. Basically, we're gonna sell in his shop or whatever, and when we get him a cut, get him, you know, basically paying him. I was like, no, thank you, it's okay. But it's getting there very soon, guys. I ain't gonna say it, but it's getting there, guys. I think I'd rather have my own restaurants and then be going to go sell inside of somebody's stuff. I mean, I don't mind, but that's not something I want to do, guys. And people love this fried spaghetti. They be requesting, they want me to make it. Girl, I'll pay you. Can you make it for me? I'll pay you. I'm like, okay, I'll make it for you. So I'm going to make extra so he can take to work for his friend, guys. This one for my husband, okay. But anyway, I'm going to see you guys after this get done frying, guys. I'm talking too much. Let's go ahead and throw in this one right here, guys. Look at that, it's so colorful. So it's beautiful. 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 So we're gonna go ahead and let this baby cook down some more, and I'm gonna show you guys the next part, okay? Bye, loves. Okay, loves, I'm about to go ahead and put this in, this tomato paste, guys. I didn't show you guys that part. It was over there. I was looking like, where's my tomato paste? What's going on, guys? I'm going to put in this, let me hold this pot, guys. Just to get it that red color, a little bit of it. So just to give it that red color, guys. Okay, we're going to go in with our spice and stuff. Everything I have. Hold on, guys. Okay, loves, we're going to go in with my seasoning. Make sure this thing is nice, mixed and blended. I told you guys it's a little bit garlic powder, onion powder, those things are in there. Black pepper, and my little seasonings I got on there. My spice, that's all mixed together. So that's everything I blended together. And I have the pepper right here, guys, but I'm not going to put it in yet. After everything is done, well, after this thing is half done, I'm going to dish some out and put it in a separate pot. That's why I'm going to add my spice in, because my husband is going to give it to his friend, and my husband doesn't eat too much spice. And then for my little babies, Jeremiah and Miracle, she doesn't like too much spice. But me and my oldest and my 2-year-old Elijah, we like spicy food. So that's why I'm going to separate it. When this is almost done, then I'm going to put my spice. But if I was just cooking it for just me and my household, my husband not taking it to work, for somebody who doesn't eat a lot of spice, then I would just throw this in there. So just to let you guys know, guys. Okay, I'll see you next. Okay, I'm about to go ahead and throw in my thyme, guys. That's it. Let it fry. It smells so good in here, and it looks good already, guys. That thyme definitely gonna give it that nice smell. It already smell good, but it's gonna give it an extra smell good. My kids are gonna be smelling this in a minute. They're down the basement. They are gonna be coming upstairs. And by the way, guys, I took the chicken out. This is the chicken breast. I'm about to dice this down. I need to hurry up because if my kids find out I got this out, guys, they're gonna run upstairs. They're gonna want to finish all of this. So I need to hurry up and dice it. I'm trying to hide it, guys. So, but really, they will finish it. They will keep asking for more and more and more and more until the chicken is all gone. Bye, guys. Okay, loves, I'm about to go ahead and add this baby in. That's all the veggies going in with the onions and pepper. We're gonna let this thing fry down. You see that? That's the other thing about red stuff when you use it, guys. I've been looking at some non-stick pot, so I'm gonna have to order some since definitely I'll be cooking a whole lot. So me and my husband are talking about that, get some non-stick pot. But we're gonna go ahead and let this baby fry down. But anyway, I want to show you guys something real quick. Let me see. You guys see over here? I'm dicing this down. These are the chicken, as you guys can see. It's just very easy. Just dice them down. Because you want some chicken into your fried spaghetti. I mean, these are very good, like that. But I'll see you guys. I'm going to finish dicing this down also. But I'll see you guys. Okay, loves, it's time for us to check our stuff. Smells so good in here. The kids upstairs, they was down the basement. Miracle came upstairs and asked me what am I cooking. I told her fried spaghetti. So, as you can see, that's the pot right there. I'm about to put some of this stuff in there. Once everything, that's the spaghetti over there, y'all. That's the spaghetti over there cooking. Miracle. I'm about to go ahead and put the chicken in. This is the chicken, guys. Miracle, mommy cooking one of your favorite food. One of your favorite food. This is one of her favorite food besides fufu and jollof rice. She loves this food, guys. Okay, guys, I'm about to go ahead and just let this fry. Once this get fried, I'm waiting on the spaghetti. The spaghetti is cooking now. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys next time when the spaghetti is done. I forgot to tell you guys, save them a little piece because I know they was going to want some. You want some? Huh? Go ahead. Huh? Save Jeremiah some. Jeremiah love it too. He's one. Huh? Save this piece for Jeremiah. Okay? The chicken is very good. That's the main thing, guys. You want to season your food very good. Don't over season it, but season it real good. When somebody tastes that thing, they're like, ooh, what you got in here? It's different. Like, I don't know. It tastes so different, but it's unique. Okay? It looks so good, guys. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and let it cook. Let me take my spoon out. Bye. Hey, loves, the food is done. This is it. This is the non-spicy. Sorry, guys, I didn't show you guys all that part. I didn't want to make the video too long. Hold on, baby. Hold on. This is the non-spicy, and this is the spicy over there. I put in the pepper, guys. Remember the pepper was in here? I used all of it. So this is me and my oldest food. But I'm about to go ahead and dish the food out, guys. It looks so good, guys. Stop it, Michael. You guys see it? It looks so good, right? I wish I wanted to zoom in on you guys. Good. That food look good, guys. You see the chicken in there? It looks very delicious, guys. If you can see it. It looks so good.
Mama, see?
Okay, I'm about to go ahead and dish it out. The kids are in here. I'm about to go ahead and make, what's her name? Daddy a plate. Hey, loves, I just go ahead and dish out our plate. This is my daughter Miracle plate. That's Elijah and that's Jeremiah, the baby. He's 1. And that's Elijah. He's 2, about to be 3 next month. Miracle is 4. That's my plate right here. And that's my son Samuel. And that's my husband's plate. He ain't want too much right now. He's watching TV. He just wanted to eat something for right now. And he said he's going to eat later. But this is everything, guys.
Mama.
I'm using my phone to record.
Mama.
I believe it's going to turn out good. I'm not using my camera today. I'm just using my phone today, guys. But this is everything. Kids, come get your food.
I got my food.
Okay, here you go. That's your food.
Okay.
You got to put that bottle down, Mama,
Oh.
before you drop it. Put your bottle down. So, here you go, your food.
Stop.
Get that right there.
Mom, get my food. Thank you.
Your food right there.
I said get my food.
Your spoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, they ready to eat, guys. This is one of their favorite food. Take your food. Sam, come get this for Jeremiah and put it on. Jeremiah's already sitting down on his high chair. This is Jeremiah's food, guys. And Sam, I'm sorry to disturb you. Take this to Daddy. And this is my food, guys. I'm about to go ahead and eat. This is it right here. Let me try to get a good thumbnail, guys. This is it. I wanted to make a good thumbnail for you guys. Let me see if I can get it good. That stuff is hot, guys. I want to see if I can get a good thumbnail for you guys. I think this is going to be my thumbnail, guys. What you guys think? Oh, let me take the spoon out. I want this to be my thumbnail. It looks good, right? Fried spaghetti, guys. This is delicious. Believe me. My friends want me to make these for them, and other people want me to make these for them, guys. Like, I'll pay you. Can you make this? And which I do sell food. I'll be making food and selling it, and people love this food. They love this so much. It looks delicious. I'm ready to eat, guys. But anyway, let me go ahead and say bye to you guys, okay?
Go.
Hey, loves. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, welcome to this channel. And please hit subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we bring more video out. As you can see, my kids are ready to eat, and we are ready to eat. They're ready to say hi and bye. We love you guys, and I am about to eat this. This is spicy. I made it spicy for me and him. The rest of the babies and my husband and the one he gonna take to his friends is not spicy. But him, he likes spicy stuff. I just don't like to give it to him because he's too young. You eating it? Really spicy. It's good, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, loves. And try this. Try this at home. It's very delicious. Let me know if you try it too, guys. Look at it. Bye, loves.